So let's start. We are there. We are about to go. So you can see my screen, yeah? So Mr. David Otieno Nyamberi, and I will take you through this unit called operating system, yeah? Are we together? Hello?
Yes, we are together.
So,
Yes.
having known my name, let's go to operating system. So we are going to look at operating system, whereby we are going to define an operating system. And as you can see, an operating system is an interface between computer user and computer hardware. Yeah. An operating system is a software that performs all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, process management, handling input and output, and controlling peripheral devices such as disk drive and printers. Some of the operating system that we know, we have Linux, we have Windows, and we have OS X and VMS. Yeah, let's have a look at this diagram. This diagram basically shows how the operating system works. In the operating system, there must be a user and there must be hardware and the software itself. So you can see user 1, user 2, up to user N indefinite. Under the operating system, you have the system software and application softwares. Yeah, can you see that? Hello, class. I hope you can see that diagram. Are we together?
Yes, we can.
So
Yes.
yes, that's it. That's fine. That's fine. So maybe if someone can tell us example of system softwares that we have. Example of system softwares. Anyone? Any trial? Any trial? Okay. System software. We have,
Pardon?
I'm asking, can someone tell us about examples of system software?
System software. Operating system. Say get to me a note.
So I will send you notes, don't worry. So let's move.
You will wait.
So we are going to look at some of the functions of operating system. We know operating system is memory management, processor management, device management, file management, security, control of the system performance. And also it is responsible for job accounting, that's the job, error detecting, aids or technique, And also, lastly, coordination between other softwares. So those are some of the functions of operating system. It allows to manage memory, manage the processor, the device management, file management, storage, control over system performance, job handling, job accounting, and error detection. So we are going to look maybe the first two function of operating system, which is memory management and processor management. And you call it the lesson by after that. So under memory management refers to the management of primary memory or main memory. The management of main memory is called memory management. And main memory is a large array of words or bytes where each word or byte acts its own address. The array of words, the array of words has the own address. We also find that main memory provides fast storage that can be accessed directly by the CPU. The main memory it has a fast storage. It provides fast storage that can be accessed directly by the CPU. For a program to be executed, it must be in the main memory for it to be executed. So an operating system does some activities for memory management. Let us look at these activities which operating system does for memory management. So it keeps track of primary memory. Operating system keeps track of primary memory. That is to say, what parts of it are in use by whom and what parts are not in use. The operating system under memory management will tell you what parts of it are in use and by who and what parts are not in use. Another activity is in multi-programming. The operating system decides which process will get memory, when and how. When and how much in multi-programming. It will allocate that. It decides which process will get memory, when, and how much. Get that. Another one is allocates the memory when a process request is to do so. It allocates the memory when a process is requested. When you request, it will allocate the memory for that request. It can also deallocate the memory. Now, if operating system is able to allocate the memory, it is also able to deallocate the memory when a process no longer needs it. When it is no longer in use, it deallocates or it terminates. Let's move on. Processor management in multi-programming environment, an operating system decide which process gets the processor, when and for how much time. It will decide how much time do you need this process and when. The function is called process scheduling. An operating system does the following activity for processor management. For processor management, it keeps track of processor and status of the process. The program responsible for this task is known as traffic controller. Traffic controller is responsible for keeping track of the processor. Another one, it also allocates the processor or CPU to a process. At the same time, it deallocates when the process is no longer required. And that will mark the end of our lesson today. And we will continue with some of these functions like device management, file management in our next lesson. Any question up to there? Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question? Yes, class. Anyone with a question? Silence means you are all okay. Yeah.
Yes, we are good.
Yeah, you are good. So
We are okay.
thank you very much for your time, and I'm wishing you a blessed night. And I hope we will see each other soon in our next lesson. Thank you.